Have you ever been driving along when suddenly your car just doesn't seem to have the same zip it used to? The culprit might be closer than you think. Nestled within the heart of your car's engine are the unsung heroes, the spark plugs. These tiny yet crucial components play a pivotal role in igniting the air-fuel mixture that propels your car forward. But just like the heroes in our favorite stories, spark plugs too can tire and wear out over time. And when they do, your car starts showing symptoms. It might struggle to start, misfire, or even consume more fuel than usual. And trust me, these are just the tip of the iceberg. But fret not. For every problem, there's a solution. In this video, we're going to walk you through the 7 telltale signs that it's time to replace those trusty spark plugs. So buckle up and let's set the wheels in motion. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's a clear sign that your spark plugs need some attention. First up, we have difficulty starting the car. This is a common sign that your spark plugs are worn out. If you're turning the key and the engine is just not catching, it could be because the spark plugs are failing to ignite the fuel-air mixture. Then, there's engine misfiring. This is when your engine randomly skips a beat. It's like it's coughing or sputtering. This can lead to higher exhaust emissions, and it can also reduce your gas mileage. So, if your car is behaving like a rebellious teenager, it might be time to check those spark plugs. Next, we have poor fuel economy. If you're noticing that you're filling up the tank more frequently than usual, it could be a sign of worn spark plugs. When these components aren't working properly, your engine can't burn fuel efficiently. This means you're wasting gas and money. Then there's rough idling. This is when your vehicle shakes or vibrates while it's standing still. It's like your car has a case of the jitters. This is often due to spark plugs that are misfiring or not firing at all. Slow acceleration is another warning sign. If your car seems sluggish or hesitant when you step on the gas, it might be a spark plug issue. These parts are essential for a speedy and smooth ride. So if your car is more tortoise than hare, it might be time for a spark plug check. Unusual engine noises are also a red flag. If your car is making sounds that remind you of a bowl of Rice Krispies, snap, crackle, pop, it's definitely not a good sign. This could be due to spark plugs that are misfiring or failing to fire at all. Finally, there's the dreaded check engine light. This little light can indicate a variety of issues, one of which is faulty spark plugs. If this light comes on, it's best to get your car checked out as soon as possible to prevent further damage. But don't worry, replacing them is a relatively simple and affordable task that can breathe new life into your ride. So if your car is showing any of these signs, don't ignore them. Take action, change those spark plugs, and keep your car running smoothly. After all, a little maintenance can go a long way in keeping your car happy and healthy. With the right tools and a little know-how, you or your trusted mechanic can have those old spark plugs swapped out in no time. Let's delve into the process. Initially, you'll need to locate the spark plugs. They're usually found under the hood of your car, attached to thick wires. There could be 4, 6, or 8 plugs, depending on how many cylinders your vehicle has. Once you've located them, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by removing the wire from the first spark plug only. It's crucial to work on one plug at a time to avoid mixing up the wires. Use a spark plug socket and wrench to remove the plug. Now, before you install the new spark plug, check the gap. This is the space between the ground and center electrodes. You can adjust the gap if necessary, using a tool called a gapping tool. The correct gap size can usually be found in your vehicle's manual. Once the gap is set, you can install the new spark plug. Hand tighten it first, then use a torque wrench to ensure it's tightened to the correct specification. You don't want to over-tighten as it could damage the cylinder head or spark plug. Now, reattach the spark plug wire. That's it. You've successfully replaced a spark plug. Repeat this process for each plug. It's a good idea to replace all your spark plugs at the same time to ensure optimal performance. You see, spark plugs may be small, but they play a significant role in your car's operation. They're responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in your engine, making your car move. Replacing worn-out spark plugs can improve your vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and even extend its lifespan. So, next time your car seems to be lacking its usual spark, don't ignore it. Those little spark plugs might just need a little attention. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in preventing bigger, costlier problems down the road. This simple maintenance can do wonders for your car's performance, fuel efficiency, and overall longevity. So don't let a spark plug problem leave you in the dark. Remember, spark plugs are the heart of your car's engine, diligently igniting the air-fuel mixture that keeps your vehicle running smoothly. Like any vital organ, they need regular checkups to ensure they're in top-notch condition. If you notice your car struggling to start, misfiring, guzzling more fuel than usual, idling roughly, accelerating slowly, making unusual noises, or illuminating the dreaded check engine light, it's time to give those spark plugs a thorough inspection. Replacing them might seem daunting, but it's a straightforward task that can be tackled with a bit of elbow grease and the right tools. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make to your car's performance, fuel efficiency, and longevity. So, keep an ear out for these 7 warning signs and keep your car's spark alive. Stay on top of your vehicle's maintenance and keep those sparks flying strong. Your car will thank you for it.